Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hopefully you are fine and doing well in your quarantine time. Here we are our science lesson today. We are on chapter 2, gases all around. We are going to study about nitrogen. Nitrogen is a very important gas and it is very important to chemical industry. It is used to make fertilizers, nitric acid, nylon, dyes and explosive. Students, we all know that nitrogen is the most abundant gas in the air and it has many uses. We all like to eat chips and many preserved food we also like. These foods are preserved because of nitrogen. Nitrogen is used in food packaging as nitrogen is an inactive gas and many food packaging are filled with it. As bacteria, some of the bacteria are grow in the presence of oxygen. We use nitrogen to exclude oxygen from the food. As oxygen can turn food bad, so oxygen is excluded with the help of nitrogen. Nitrogen is also used in the aircraft tires and the dry nitrogen is used in it. As it is an inactive gas and does not react and does not burn and does not react chemically with rubber and does not support combustion, that is the basic reason nitrogen is much safer choice to fill aircraft tires. Another use of nitrogen is to make ammonia fertilizers. As to be the nutritious to plants, nitrogen must be made available in a fixed ratio in the fertilizers. Next we will study about the noble gases. Helium, neon and argon are the noble gases. There are many uses of noble gases as well. Noble gases are in fact inactive gases and they exist in the air in a very small amount. The first of all we will study about the use of helium. Helium is used to fill airships. Actually, helium is a very light gas. It is lighter than air. Oh yes, balloons. Students, we all like to play with balloons, with helium balloons which rises up and up. Do you know why they rise up? Yes, it is filled with helium. As helium is lighter than air, that's why the balloons filled with helium rises up in the air. Hydrogen is also lighter than air, but it is a combustible gas. That's why it is not safer to use hydrogen in the balloons and it is much safer to use helium. Neon gas is used to light up glass tubes in advertising displays. Here we can see that there are many advertising signs over here. Here in this neon gas is used. Argon is another noble gas and incandescent light bulbs are filled with argon. All the noble gases are used to make lasers. Here are argon lasers and helium neon lasers. We can see. Number 1, what is the importance of nitrogen gas? Here you will write the importance we have discussed in the lesson. And the second is what are the uses of noble gases, helium, neon and argon. So as students, you will complete your work and submit your work. Thank you.